Hello teacher. Today I will tell you how to solve Excel problem. Let's start. First, the question is, Mr. Lampard want to buy a condo that price 2 million baht if interest rate is 7.5% per year for 25 years. If his salary is 8,000 baht per month, he can pay by installment for 25 years enough or not? Yeah. Uh, let's see how information that give to me is the cost of condo 2 million baht and interest rate is 7.5% per year and it give time 25 years and we want to know how many for pay by installment. Yeah, we use the function PMT. Let's start. Uh, First we use equal and PMT and use bracket. Wait, sorry, use bracket and we code. We further use the percent interest rate. It has is a per year. We want per month. We divide by 12 and next we use the time 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 per year. We use per month. We multiply by 12 and next we use money and zero. But the the summary is a minus. We can we can change it use by add a minus to the money. You, the answer is now. The answer is the plus number now. We use it. Okay. And now we know his salary is 8,000 baht. We can resolve it that he can pay enough because he just have 8,000 baht, but the money that he has to pay per month for the condo is 24,000 baht. Yeah. The answer I will summary if he can pay enough. This is a that example. Thank you, teacher.